Welcome to I'm sure how to activate your Hey Google option into a REALME Narzo 50 Pro. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose here settings. Next go into Google Assistant here. And next one, find here Hey Google and Voice Match option. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google or OK Google. Now need give you access to Assistant, tap Next, and here tap I agree. And now we must say OK Google, OK Google, and OK Google. How you can see, OK Google is ready to use. Tap finish here. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.